Hello everyone, welcome to Quest for Eco. In this channel, we discuss everything about the environment, the problems, solutions, and fun facts. If you're interested, please subscribe and turn on notifications. Tip number 1, close the tap while washing hands. Washing our hands regularly with soap and water is very important. But while we practice this, we can save a lot of water just by closing the tap while scrubbing our hands. This can be followed not just while washing hands, but every time we use the tap for any purpose. Tip number 2, segregate your waste. Waste segregation is important, especially at this time, because if we don't do it at home, a waste picker will have to deal with it, and because of this, there is high chances of infection. If the waste pickers and waste collectors are not able to work, all the trash will go directly to the landfill without segregation, which is very bad for the environment. To help this situation, we can segregate waste at home. All dry and recyclable items can be saved at home to be given to the local recycler, and all the biodegradable waste can be composted. Following these two steps can drastically reduce the amount of waste we throw out of our homes. Tip number 3, make eco bricks. Some waste like single-use plastic packaging and wrappers can neither be composted nor recycled, but they can still be used to make eco bricks instead of being thrown away. You can find the link to the video tutorial on how to make eco bricks in the description. Tip number 4, carry a reusable shopping bag. While going out to buy supplies, carrying a reusable bag not only avoids the need for a new bag from the store, but you can also be sure that it's clean and safe. Be sure to disinfect the bag regularly. Tip number 5, shop consciously. It can be tempting to stock up supplies for several days at a time, but if you don't use them up before they expire or go bad, it will be a waste of time, money, and resources. We can make a list and buy only what we need and what we will use so that we can avoid any wastage. These are 5 tips to be more eco-friendly during this time that are really simple and easy. It's important to care about the environment too at this time because the state of the environment also impacts the state of our health. If you have any more tips to be eco-friendly during the lockdown, share it in the comments. Like this video and share it with your friends. Subscribe to the channel and click on the bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching.